And stop wasting your money on these AI tools like Magic School AI, Teach AI, or Brisk to give you the kinds of things you think you need. All you really need to do is sit with some of these large language models like ChatGPT or Gemini or Claude and train it to give you what you want. Let me show you how. I created this generative pre trained transformer or GPT to help me with working with my students so that it would analyze the data and plan instruction for a unit. Now, all I need to do is upload the data, upload anything. It could be an exit ticket, it could be my state test. I'm just going to share a snapshot, it could be a picture, and it's going to help me plan an entire unit. It's going to even give me an analysis of where my students are based on the data that I've shared and the content standard that I'm planning for. So it's going to tell me where to start from my instruction, who needs what, who's above grade level, who can access the content, the standard, and who needs some scaffolded support. Now it's going to give me those groupings. It's going to give me, based on universal design for learning, how I should approach instruction with the UDL framework. And then it's going to tell me my 3 tiers for my students based on the data. It's going to tell me for all my students, tier 1, what supports I should be providing to help them with the standard. For my tier 2, it's going to tell me this small group of students can benefit from this reteaching. And it's giving me that step-by-step plan to actually put that into context, all using the frameworks that I want to: UDL, MTSS, Costa's levels of questionings. It's even giving me sentence strings. And if I wanted to give me an exit ticket, it can do that too for the entire week. And then it will even ask me if I want it as a Google Doc or a PDF or something like that. And all I need to do is share that. It's all free. It doesn't cost me anything. It's, again, when we're working with a large language model, all we need to do is train it. So go ahead and check this out. Upload some of your data, leave a comment, let me know what else you'd like to see, and stop paying. Start playing and training your ChatGPT to work for you. See you next time.